So in this episode of Philosophy, I'm going to talk about what is a UI UX web designer. So before everything else, I would like to define what is UI UX. So basically UI is user interface and UX is user experience. Hence UI UX web designer then comes in as one. So UI UX is really basically the new term of a web designer. Thus, a web designer really comes in as someone who is responsible for the design and layout of a website, which is really partly true. And UI UX was derived from that to focus on merely the user experience when it comes to the design and functions and a flow of a website. So really, these designers are really more focused on the user engagement and the user's emotions towards a website. And they're responsible when it comes to the colors, the content, how everything is laid out and presented to the public. And they make sure all these elements in the front end and all these designs can present simply an engagement part with the website visitors in order for them to use the website. They really go in depth to the behavior of a visitor of a website or a member of a website in order for them to give them the best experience within the website. So I want to give you guys a great analogy on this matter. Think about a mall that has all these shops, all these stores. And when you get in a mall and you're trying to look for a particular shop, you simply require a navigation and probably a directory just to find this particular store you're looking for. Now, if you've ever been to an IKEA mall or an IKEA store, you'll notice they have the best experience, or rather the best customer experience, and they maximize that experience of a customer due to the layout of their store. So basically their layout of the store, it's really just a one-way direction from the start to the finish. And the reason why I say they maximize experience is because they make sure that their customers don't miss any of the products that are lined up. Unlike a setup and the layout of a mall. In a regular mall, you can go anywhere you desire. You go left, right, up, or down. And at most times, you'll miss out on all the other stores that you're supposed to see within a mall. Going back to IKEA stores, they make sure that the direction that you're going through will showcase every product that they have in the store, thus maximizing the engagement and the purchase of each product that is on every shelf on the IKEA store. Just like in a website, if you have a smooth flow from top to finish, especially when it comes to navigation and not so many options for our visitors to focus on, then whatever your focus or whatever goal that you want for your visitors to visit or do, you'll achieve it by having them go directly to your goal and engaging with it. So you see, when it comes to UI and UX designers, they're responsible for this whole concept, the layouts, and the whole experience that they provide to a visitor of a website. Now, this doesn't just work for only new visitors or new customers to the websites. This also works in a membership website or a customer that is already part of the ecosystem of this website. UI UX web designers are always improving their designs, the layout, in order to provide the best experience to the customer on the website. I'd like to thank you for watching this episode. I hope this educates you on the topic on hand. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also that bell button to get notifications on the latest uploads I do every week. In the case you'll require a team or agency to build a website for you, don't forget to check out Mediafied.com. I have a bunch of web developers ready to build your website, and we offer the best plans and packages for every website need that you'll require.